So I did a different video, and on the other video I skipped 8 and 10. So let's just do 8 and 10 and post this also. So we start with the very first operation, which is what? So again, at the corner of the class, we have PEMDAS, and that helps us with the correct order. We always start with P, which is parentheses, and parentheses obviously means to zoom in. So you zoom in, ignore everything else, and just think about what 8 minus 5 is. And what is 8 minus 5? 3. So I'm going to write the answer 3, and then I'm going to rewrite everything. The parentheses, the square, the minus 25, the 3 on the outside of the parentheses, the plus, and the 2 out in the front. So at the beginning, we had parentheses, we have exponents, multiplication, we have addition and subtraction. We have all kinds of operations. We've done parentheses so far. Now, even though I still have the parentheses here, there's nothing to do inside. If I zoom in, that just says 3. There's nothing to do. And that's what parentheses are. It's just zooming in. So what do we have next? After P, exponent. So we have 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. I'm going to rewrite everything. The parentheses, the 3, the plus, the 2, and the minus 25. If you're thinking, why the heck is he writing the parentheses if we already did parentheses? Like, if I didn't write these parentheses, I might like sneeze and then look at my paper and mistaken that to be a 39.
Can you put multiplication?
Yeah, you could put that multiplication dot so you don't get confused, or you could put the parentheses, or both, but you need to remember that you're multiplying right there. So now we're down to 3 operations. 2 plus 3 times 9 minus 25. What do I do first out of those 3 operations? Multiplication. All right, so let's go and do the multiplication. 3 times 9 is 27. That is a positive 27. There's a 2 out in the front. There's a minus 25 at the end. With addition and subtraction, since they're both the same color, you just go from left to right. So what is 2 plus 27? 29. So we have 29 minus 25, which is 4. 4. For the sake of having all the questions done for us, let's jump to number 10. So on number 10, we're going to do P first. That's parentheses. That means we're going to zoom in, ignore everything else. Now on the inside of the parentheses, we have 3 different operations. Which one do we do first? Multiplication. So we're going to do 3 times 5. That's 15. Let me bring down everything else. There's a 1, there's a plus, there's a minus, there's a 2. Now, I could rewrite the whole thing, but I know I'm still working on the inside of the parentheses. So let's actually finish up the inside of the parentheses. We have now addition and subtraction. So we just go from left to right. So yeah, 1 plus 15 is 16. And 16 minus 2, 14. So let me zoom out, because that's what parentheses made us do. It made us zoom in. So let me rewrite everything. And on the inside of the parentheses, the only thing I have left is 14. So let me bring down the plus sign, the 3, and the divided by 2. So what do I do next?
Divide.
Add or divide? Divide. What's 14 divided by 2? 7. What is 3 plus 7 when I bring down that plus 3? 10. That is our answer.
10.
That's it.